we are going to learn about active and passive voice. Do you know what is active and what is passive? If you don't know, don't worry. We will learn about it. Active voice sentence. Ram is watching a movie is a sentence of active voice. Ram is a subject. Ram is a subject. And a movie is an object. Watching is a verb, is an auxiliary verb. A movie is being watched by Ram. It is an passive voice sentence. A movie has become an object in passive voice, and a movie is a singular verb, so we have to use here is, and being is construct with it. Watched by Ram. By एजेंट है जो सब्जेक्ट के पहले जुड़ जाता है. वॉच्ड, यहाँ पे वॉच की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज किए ये. चेंज द सब्जेक्ट टू ऑब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट टू सब्जेक्ट. कुछ सब्जेक्ट होते हैं जिन्हें हम ऑब्जेक्ट में चेंज करते हैं और कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं जिन्हें हमें सब्जेक्ट में चेंज करना होता है. वी हैव टू चेंज इट इनटू ईच अदर. आई change into me, you no change, he, him, she, her. देखो them में चेंज किया, we को us में, and noun is no change. Convert the auxiliary verb. Verb first form is changed into is, am, are. Means present indefinite tense changed into present continuous tense. Verb second was were में change हो गया. Was were is an past continuous tense and verb second is a past indefinite tense. Do does is MR में change हुआ है. Did और second form was were में. Will shall के साथ बी कंडक्ट हो गया. इज एम आर के साथ बिंग कंडक्ट हो गया. मैं कैन, जो भी मॉडल्स होते हैं उनके साथ हम बी का यूज़ करते हैं. मैं कैन प्लस बी. हैज़, हैव, हैड के साथ बिन कंडक्ट हो जाता है. विल, शैल, हैव. इट हैज़ चेंज इनटू will, shall, have been. And in passive voice, we always use third form of verb within all type of sentence. It's like, for example, she gave me a pen. This is a sentence of active voice. She is a subject. Me, an indirect object. A pen is direct object. Gave, verb second form. Me is an indirect object. When we change it into subject, me change into I. I was given. Was, cause, gave is here second form of this verb, and give, gave, given is the third form. I was given a pen by her. she चेंज हुआ है her में. तो ये पार्ट फर्स्ट एक्टिव पैसिव का सेंटेंस